Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use WordPress. Org. First, understand that WordPress. Org is a powerful, free, and open-source content management system, giving you complete control over your website. To get started, you'll need a domain name and web hosting. Many hosting providers offer convenient one-click WordPress installations, making the setup process incredibly straightforward. Once installed, you can log into your administrative dashboard and begin your website creation journey. Once inside your WordPress dashboard, you'll find intuitive tools for content creation. You can easily create new posts for dynamic blog articles or static pages for information like About Us or Contact. The media library allows you to upload and manage images, videos, and audio files, enhancing your content's visual appeal. Organize everything effectively using categories and tags, ensuring your visitors can easily find what they are looking for. Customizing your WordPress site is incredibly flexible. You can select from thousands of free and premium themes to define your website's look and feel. The built-in customizer allows you to adjust layouts, colors, and fonts without touching any code. To add advanced features, explore the vast plugin directory, offering over 60,000 free options. These plugins can introduce anything from robust contact forms to powerful search engine optimization tools, or even full e-commerce functionality. Maintaining a healthy WordPress site involves a few key practices. Always keep your WordPress core, themes, and plugins updated to their latest versions to patch security vulnerabilities. Employ strong, unique passwords and consider enabling two-factor authentication for an extra layer of protection. Regular backups of your website files and database are crucial for disaster recovery. Finally, install a reputable security plugin to actively monitor for potential threats and keep your site safe.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.